Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about why oatmeal is a popular breakfast choice for breastfeeding mothers and how it can be part of a balanced daily diet. Many new mothers look for simple, nutritious meals that are quick to prepare. Oatmeal is a popular option because it is easy to make and can provide lasting energy throughout a busy morning. Oats are a source of complex carbohydrates and dietary fiber, which can help mothers feel satisfied for longer. Many mothers enjoy adding fresh fruit, nuts, or seeds to create a more balanced meal. A warm bowl of oatmeal can also be a comforting breakfast, especially during the early weeks of caring for a newborn when mornings can feel very busy. Remember that no single food has been proven to increase milk supply for everyone. A healthy milk supply is influenced by many factors, including regular feeding or pumping, adequate nutrition, hydration, and overall health. It is also important to drink enough water throughout the day. Staying hydrated, along with eating regular, balanced meals, supports your overall well-being. Many mothers like preparing overnight oats or cooking a larger batch in advance to save time during busy mornings. Every mother's nutritional needs are different, so choose meals that fit your preferences, lifestyle, and any advice from your healthcare provider. A balanced diet, regular meals, and good self-care can help you maintain your energy while caring for your baby. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.